Reverse leg raise on the bench, gonna help build some great strength in your glutes and hamstrings, as well as some of the adductors and abductors. That's the inside and outside of your hips. You're gonna set up on the bench. If you can come in close here, I'm making sure that I'm keeping my blades pressed through and active in the upper body. I'm trying to keep, from the back view here, I'm trying to keep this hip stacked over this knee. From there, I'm keeping the opposite leg pointed and extended. So my knee is not bent. I'm keeping some nice activation in my quad to keep it extended. Then I'm lifting up, across the body, down, up, out, down. And you're going to find you're going to want to lean different directions. If you can keep the weight stable in both hands and right over your knee, it's going to be the hardest. It's fine if you're compensating a little bit, but just try to keep things nice and stable from side to side. We want to focus on the glute doing the work. Hamstring's also going to feel it. We don't want the back doing all the movement here. It's way easier if you let your back do the movement. So we want to keep that pelvis tucked under, squeezing that glute and using the hip. We're isolating the hip here. We don't want the spine moving.